Hey, welcome back everyone to I Am the Warranty channel. We are going to clean this up because no one wants to look at it and it's disgusting. So we are going to use a carbon shampooer to clean this up. And these things, nothing to worry about, but that is what we're focusing on today. We are going to use the Hoover Smart Wash Flex Force Power Brushes, and we are going to fill it up and use all of these to use it in that beast. And we are going to try to clean it up and that disgusting stain that's been there forever. And I hope it will work. Vroom, 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 vroom. Here's how it looks after the first cleaner. Wow.
Can't really argue with the after. It looks pretty good. I mean, the rest of the carpet did a really good job. You get in close on it. Nice. And the stain, yeah, that's better. I don't think it jumps out as much. I mean, we're looking for it, we see it, but when you get back here, yeah, table's still gonna go on it, but it's just a bad stain.